So, Bitcoin and Ethereum accelerate, ADA sold, and more altcoins rally. Bitcoin gained pace after it broke the 3900-2000 resistance. Ethereum climbed above 2900 USD, and XRP gained almost 6%. ADA jumped 13%, while multiple altcoins also rallied into double digits. Bitcoin was able to clear the $39,200 resistance level and even tested the 40K resistance level. It is currently consolidating gains above the level of 39.7, and it might test 40K again. BTC is over 4% in a day and 1% in a week. Similarly, most altcoins, the major altcoins, are also gaining pace. ETH broke the 2900 and 2920 resistance levels. XRP broke the key 0.65 resistance zone, while ADA rallied above 0.85. You can see the total market cap on the screen right now. Let's talk a little more about Bitcoin. After another rejection near the 37,500 level, Bitcoin started a recovery wave. BTC was able to clear the 38,800 and 39,200 resistance levels and test the 40,000 resistance. It is now consolidating gains and it might attempt more upsides above 40,000. The key resistance is still near the 40,350 level, above which the price might rise to 41,200. On the downside, an initial support is near the 39,500 level. The major support is near the 39,200 level, below which the price might test the 38,800 level. Now let's talk about Ethereum. The Ethereum price also gained pace above the 2,850 resistance level and climbed above the 2,920 resistance level. ETH jumped 5% in a day and almost 2% in a week. It is now consolidating near the 2,950 level, and it might attempt to move towards the 3,000 resistance level. On the downside, an immediate support is near the 2,900 level. The major support is near the 2,850 level, below which the price might resume its decline. Now let's talk about altcoins. Cardano started a strong surge above the 0.85 resistance. It gained 13% and even tested the 0.90 resistance. A close above 0.90 may perhaps open the doors for a steady increase towards the 0.95 resistance. ADA is also up 5% in a week. BNB gained almost 5%, and there was a move above the 400 resistance. The price is now consolidating gains and it might rise further above 405. The next major resistance is near the 412 level. Solana rallied 9%, surpassed the USD 92 resistance and tested the 95 resistance zone. If the bulls remain in action, the price may possibly rise towards 100. Doge climbed steadily above 0.135. It even tested the 0.138 resistance. If there are additional gains, the price might rise towards the 0.14 resistance level. XRP. The XRP price also gained pace and was able to clear the key 0.65 resistance and is now up almost 6% in a day. The next key resistance on the upside is near 0.665, above which the price could revisit the 0.68 resistance level. And now let's move to other altcoins market today. Many altcoins are up over 5%, including Luna, AVAX, DOT, Matic, TRX, LTC, NEAR, Uni, Ape, XLME, VET, Mana, and Theta. Meanwhile, TRX, Waves, and ZIL are the three best performers among the top 100 crypto assets. This is measured by market cap today, and they all jumped anywhere from 24 to 34% in a day. And now let's talk a bit about the news that are happening today. Starbucks teased the launch of NFTs in an effort to drive community engagement. The Starbucks app is the second most used app for mobile payments in the US, next to Apple Pay with over 30 million active users in the US. Of course, this will be big for crypto adoption. In addition to just NFTs, the company alluded to a full-fledged Starbucks Digital Community Web3 platform, possibly tied to mobile payments in store. And next, let's go with, well, you know who I'm talking about. You all love him, you all hate him, Elon Musk. So, Elon Musk changed his Twitter profile picture to a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT, and ApeCoin's price jumped by 19% in an hour. So after this, what happened is that the price went to $17.64, which then settled down to $15.43. The Tesla CEO later tweeted, "I don't know, seems kind of fungible. Hashtag trolling, am I right?" It is unclear whether Musk actually bought the NFT, but he has made numerous tweets about his support for Dogecoin and Bitcoin in the past, as everyone already knows. The collage used by Musk was created by the auction house Sotheby. Sotheby? Anyway, I'm pretty sure I'm slaughtering that, so I'm just gonna leave the name here. And going back to the topic, the auction was hosted last year. Of course, today we had to have something like this. Axon Capital, which is a Mexican company, launched a cryptocurrency called Axon Coin. In recent weeks, the Senate of the Republic of Mexico also promoted crypto in a forum to raise awareness and trigger the growth of digital assets in the country. The goal behind Axon Coin is to allow people to make shopping and entertainment purchases using cryptocurrency. The CEO of this project explained in a statement, "You will be able to spend Axon Coins in department stores, food, but will also serve as a means of exchange. If you want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can do it with Axon Coin." Axon Coin's price is surging due to hype and interest from investors. The original price was $10 each, which increased to $317 per unit in a matter of weeks. Now, the reason for this sudden surge in price could also be because the company is claiming a 0.025% ROI in 15 minutes, which is a bit crazy, I would say. Feel free to check it out, but always be careful and do your own research. Now I would like to talk about an interesting research that I found, and of course I'm going to leave the description down below. And now let's talk about something very interesting actually. It's about the flippening. Ethereum has overtaken Bitcoin in 26 of countries worldwide, alternate economic landscapes. Digging deeper, the analysis shows that the American Bitcoiners are also outnumbered by Dogecoin investors, with the US containing the highest number of Dogecoin investors worldwide. This contrasts starkly with Argentina, for example, who possess a higher portion of Bitcoin investors than any other country, perhaps in response to the crippling inflation currently hampering the South American nation. Solana versus Ethereum. Other conclusions that the study arrives at include the fact that more Japanese investors hold Solana than Ethereum, displaying a stout belief that Solana ultimately offers a better platform within the realm of DeFi. Singapore, meanwhile, appears to be the most bullish nation on Ethereum. The data in the Cointext study dates from January 2022 and is derived from a survey of 27 countries. Results are weighted using Google's interactive ranking process, reflecting the national population distribution in each country. The coins examined, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and XRP, are amongst the biggest coins in the space and encompass some of the main subsectors of the crypto market: Bitcoin, DeFi, NFTs, and get ready for this, memes. To conclude, the data paints interesting pictures of which countries around the world prefer which cryptos and how different demographics have different investing focuses. In Argentina, a country plagued by rampant inflation, Bitcoin reigns supreme. On the other hand, the immense cultural impact of memes on display in the US, where more investors hold Dogecoin than Bitcoin. As for Ethereum, 7 countries prefer it to Bitcoin, while other nations, led by Japan and Norway, think Solana is the better bet within DeFi. The world is full of wonderful and diverse people, with many different opinions and needs, something that can be seen clearly from the crypto investor data. Let me know in the comment section if you agree with this study, if you are from any of these countries, And if not, let me know what you're holding at the moment. So anyway, that's all for today, and see you on the next one.